Don't subscribe to everything. All the platforms have 95% overlapping functionality. It's that 5% that's a tiebreaker that you're going to lean towards. It's going to be your go to. So start with chat. I know a lot of you already have, but add tools based on your specific needs, your workflow, your existing tech ecosystem, your task requirements, your knowledge of what you know. That's how you want to add these things. And think of it as a toolbox. You really want to use the different tools for different tasks, right? We're not going to use a hammer to turn, a 3/8 head. We're going to use the proper wrench for that, right? That's exactly what to do. And as you walk through this and get more familiar with it, you will realize which tool belongs for which task. I've given you a little bit of a cheat sheet here when you'll have this available to you as well as part of the school community to go back and use as a cheater for which ones to use. And then for those of you that aren't already using it for this, automating content creation, emails, text generation, problem solving with data analysis, emerging capabilities like visual inputs, interpretation, that is happening real time, guys. I'm literally looking at when the YouTube video was released, when I'm getting new knowledge about things I'm already familiar with, because my time, just like you, my time is very valuable to me. And I do have my favorite 5 that I follow on YouTube. I'm going to encourage you to do that as well. But then there's other people that come along, and because once I search for one subject, YouTube knows to give me all the creators with that subject. I'm looking at when the video was created. That's how fast things are changing. So be aware of that. I'm not looking at a 1-year-old, 6-month-old video on how to do anything on any of these platforms right now.